Good day guys, so I have a flat tire here, so I decided to purchase these two products. Instead of bringing to the tire center, I have a slime tire plug kit and a tire inflator junior purchased from Walmart. So if you want to know how to use it, at the same time I will review this product. This video is for you. So let's go. There is a warning that pop up on my panel, the tpms sign, or the tire pressure monitoring system, that indicate that there's a low pressure in one of my tire, particularly on the left rear. Upon visual inspection, I found a screw that pierced on my tire, so I prepare a dishwashing liquid with water to check whether that is the cause of the leak. And both these, the tire plug for more than $8 Canadian dollar, and the tire inflator for 18 dollar, more than $18. So since I thought this is the leak, I check it by spraying the water, and we found out that that screw damaged the tire. At the back of the plug kit, there's instruction on how to plug a tire. So you need to remove any objects puncturing the tire. So it's only applicable for small hole or damage. So before I totally remove the screw, I decided to jump on step number 3, which is preparing the plug, and thread it halfway to the eye of the plunger needle so that it will pass for me to do another procedure when it is ready. You're gonna insert it halfway like this. Yeah. Then after that, you can apply a band on it. Now I will remove the screw, and I will use a reamer that included to the kit to clean and make the whole wrap. Make sure to put it on the place where you remove the screw, otherwise you will create another damage. So make it multiple times back and forth so that you can clean the hole at the same time, make it wrap and easy for you to apply the tire plug. So there's a different type of handle. This is a screwdriver type. They have also a T type and a pistol type handle. It is much better so that you have a good grip, so that it will easy for you to install this plug. So now we are installing the plug. It's a little bit hard, like what I said, because I choose this handle. Okay, you can add a band on it before you totally insert the plug. After that, you're gonna pull the needle straight, avoid twisting it, so the plug will be left behind because the needle have cut on the edge. Then you can again check if there's no leak. So it seems to be good. Then after that, you can cut the excess plug like that. You can use a cutter or a scissor. So our compressor came with this male connector plug that can directly connect or plug into the cigarette lighter plug or our output source. It have a long wire, good enough, and an LED light, then a power button switch. 12 minutes time from totally flat tire. That is what indicated on this one. So we're gonna put or inflate our tire now, since as you can see it is almost flat. That is after the repair. It is very lightweight. It have a gauge, and at the back we can find the connector that we're going to connect at the tire valve. So when connecting it, that clip should be downward, then you will going to pleat it up. As we can see, the reading is more than 10 psi at the gauge, and if we look at the cluster, it's 12. So it's almost the same, little different, but almost very close, as you can see. So now let's turn it on. We start inflating it at 10:49. Now as you can see, the tpms warning light is gone. We have 34 psi now, and the time is 10:59. So from 12 psi to 34 psi, it took up 10 minutes. So for me, this product is good. It has a cheap price, and there's a lot of selection for the product. Also, the inflator is small enough that easy to keep. So it's good for you guys to have this, and you can choose because there are different type of model for this product. So that's what can I say. Okay, so after inflating the tire, to remove this, you need to flip it like this. Then now you can remove it. Okay.